Despite President Emmerson Mnangagwa repeatedly stating that he is a constitutionalist and he intends to retire in 2028, the ZANU-PF party resolution calling for the extension of his leadership to 2030 now places him in a position where party decisions take precedence over individual preferences. In the ZANU-PF tradition, the party is supreme and its resolutions are binding on all members. Constitutional amendments, subscribe or like on the bell icon. This position was strongly articulated by ZANU-PF Treasury General, veteran lawyer and former Cabinet Minister Comrade Party CHAMISA during an in-depth discussion on Constitutional Amendment Bill number 3 on CVN. His remarks clearly understood the view that the President is in obligation to comply with the collective decision of the party. In the interview, Comrade CHAMISA argues that the proposed presidential term extension is constitutional, explains why he believes a referendum is necessary, outlines his position on voter role, administration, defense, the role of traditional leaders in national politics, and stresses the importance of party discipline and policy continuity. Whether you support or oppose KEP 3, this conversation offers valuable insights into the thinking behind the proposed amendments and their potential implications for Zimbabwe's political future. Constitutional amendments the position involving the ruling party ZANU-PF, and the situation is very volatile. As we are seeing the top leaders, the factions, the one which is led by VP Kosano Chwenga opposing the KEP 3, and the one led by President Mnangagwa with the support of the constitutional amendments. They are now volatile against each other. We do not know how it is going to end, but ajina kumira moshe. Comment section medu zafungura any more kudipa msoro pichitko ichi. So subscribe or like, comment on the bell icon.